अस्सलाम वालेकुम वीवर्स। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू विल बी फाइन एंड हैप्पी। दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो अबाउट क्लास 3 टेक्स्ट बुक्स। So viewers, stay here and watch my full video. Viewers, here is a easy way to download class 3 free textbooks. So viewers, let's move on our computer screen. Viewers, here is a Google Chrome. You can write here pdfhive.com. pdfhive.com website is open. You can see here best books, further category academic education. Now we right click on 3 class. We can close and now you can see Punjab textbook for class 3. Scroll down. You can see here Riyazi for class 3, Mathematics 3 English medium, Waqfiyat Amma, Ikhlaqiyat or English for 3 class, General Knowledge for 3 class, Urdu Bright Math Som or Islamiyat 3 class. Viewers, if you want to download Islamiyat for 3 class, so you came on link and right click on here, save link as, save your books here, keep downloading. Our book download complete. You can see here viewers, if you have missed my other interesting videos such as nursery and 1 class books, you can press I button and can see those helpful videos. See you guys in next video. Allah Hafiz.